based on what I read, he as Commander-in-Chief correctly and rightly so authorized that Marwan is a target. There is no liability to that. He gave the order to not yet suspended, active Director General Purisima, the order to apprehend or to serve the warrant on Marwan and Usman. Nothing wrong with that. Trabaho niya. In fact, kung hindi niya ginawa yan, may pananagutan ng Pangulo. Ginawa niya ang kanyang tungkulin. Ang pagpaplano nito, pinatas o inutos o ipinasa ni Director General Purisima sa kay Director Napeñas. So, nasa sa kanila na kung ginawa nila ang mga dapat nilang gawin.
Sir, even if Purisima was suspended during that time,
let me clear that up once and for all. The President recognized that Director General Purisima was suspended at wala nang kapangyarihan. Alam ng Pangulo yan. Kaya nga niya iniutos, sabihin mo sa kay OIC Espina ito, precisely to correct the anomaly that there was somebody suspended in the middle. Hindi sinunod yung utos ng Pangulo. The President took steps precisely to correct that situation by ordering that OIC Espina be told about this. He ordered this to a 4-star general. He ordered this to a 2-star general. Siguro naman, the President, it is reasonable for the President to assume na ang kanyang mga utos ay susundin.
Wanted to ask kung may liability po ba si Pinoy for not informing you or for not informing OIC Espina since he's functioning as the top official, sir?
Wala. Hindi trabaho ng Pangulo na siguruhin na ang lahat na dapat na nag-i-inform ay ginagawa natin ng trabaho. Anong mangyayari dyan? Ang trabaho ng Pangulo ay, nasabi mo na ba sa superior mo yan? Nasabi mo na ba sa superior mo yan? Nasabi mo na ba sa superior? Hindi naman yun ang trabaho ng Pangulo. So he has no life.
What you're saying, sir, is yung order ni Pinoy to Purisima was because he was a 4-star general, not because he was PNP chief at the time. Kaya walang culpability sa Pinoy.
No, he was in all of the operations. Sorry. In all of the operations, PNP Director General Purisima was on top of it until sometime in December when he was suspended. Thereafter, the President, recognizing that he was suspended, ordered him to tell OIC Espina, PNP OIC Espina, na hindi naman ginawa o nangyari. At sadya pa niyang sinabihan si Director Napeñas na huwag mo na nga, saka mo na sabihan yung dalawa. I think that was the motivation. It is not disputed, debated, or in any way challenged.